love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up.
Welcome back to Outdoors by Design. I'm super excited today. I received my package from Tethrd. Ordered a Phantom Elite saddle, plus the Predator XL and the carrier floor. So hopefully it's all in here. If it's not, all of it should be coming. So we're gonna open it and see what's inside. Looks like the First Light Phantom Elite saddle. This comes in the pretty good black box. Got some safety and instruction. Got the promo tether sticker. There's the lineman plus the carabiner. This is the lineman. This is the tether tree tether lineman. Got these pack strap. Oh no. Plus the pack. And we have the Predator XL platform. So let's start unboxing the XL Predator platform, and then we'll move on into the Elite saddle, the Phantom Elite saddle that has the First Light Camel, which I'm excited to see. So the comes with the buckle strap, and I think this is the top part of it here. It's a little bit of assembly, but nothing too difficult. Just looks like a machine aluminum part. It's a little stiff on the back brace, but we'll try to loosen that a little bit. So maybe we'll just have to work it. But for the most part, this is what it looks like. So we'll assemble that a little later. Set this aside. So we'll open the Phantom Elite First Light wrap saddle. Comes with the little card. Comes in a little pouch. It's all sat in there, so that's pretty cool. Easy pack, but so this Phantom saddle comes with the saddle. The kit comes with the saddle, with the bridge, and one of the changes, they extended this out, this little molly loop out, so you can put the saddle, you can put your pouches out a little bit farther. Comes with two pouches, two cis hauler, and the MVP. So these are the exclusive to this saddle. The Elite wrap, the First Light wrap, and the cis hauler, two cis hauler. and then the MVP back support. So super excited to try this on, do some tests. This will be my first time saddle hunting. As I mentioned, due to I'm planning to do a lot of public hunting moving forward, and I think this will work perfect for my setup for public hunting. So I will give you guys my review in about 3 months to 6 months when these hunting starts, and I'll give you guys an updated review on what my thoughts are using the saddle and saddle hunting itself. So look forward to that video.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can